My name is Julio Rodriguez, and I'm the CEO of Cementos Molins from Spain. Well, the world is moving fast, and then we are facing multiple challenges as many other industrial sectors. When it comes to sustainability and decarbonizing our industry, probably the most important challenge we are facing is related with public policies and regulations. And then we have to redouble our efforts to keep working with authorities to really position the cement sector as a key player to boost, let's say, circular economy. It means to boost alternative fuel use, demolition waste, recycling, let's say, and incentivize demand of decarbonized products, while at the same time pushing for more and more solutions and public policies to facilitate carbon capture, usage, and storage. Well, this debate is basically present everywhere in the world, let's say, with more or less intensity. Probably Europe is leading the race, let's say, with more and more ambitious targets and policies really to boost this circular economy deployment, to, let's say, accelerate in alternative fuels usage, to accelerate in reusing, recycling raw materials, in again incentivizing more and more demand, and we see more and more projects on carbon capture developed around Europe. Then in other geographies where Cementos Molins is present, for example in Latin America and Africa, well, the priorities of the government, they are not the same level because probably they have many other priorities to tackle in the countries. Well, in Cementos Molins, like many other companies in our industry, we are accelerating full speed to deliver and to achieve the targets of our 2030 roadmap. We have plenty of projects ongoing nowadays. I can mention maybe just 3 of them. In Argentina, for example, we are just commissioning a new solar plant that will deliver, let's say, around 60% of electrical consumption of San Luis plant. And this is a project just ongoing. I mean, the plant is really fully operating. Another project that we are really proud is a new factory that we have invested a lot of money in Spain to recycle construction waste and reuse it immediately, manufacturing cement and concrete. And last and not least, in Uruguay, we have invested recently $50 million to concentrate all our operations in only one site, industrial site in Minas. And by doing that, we are achieving around 40% electrical consumption reduction, while strongly increasing our alternative fuels usage in the factory. Well, yes, I'm very optimistic because, well, we are living in a world that in 2050 will have roughly 10 billion people. And 2/3 of them will live in cities, in urban spaces. Well, you can imagine the demand for new infrastructure, new housing will be growing, and then the demand of cement and concrete. Obviously, we have the challenge to deliver all these solutions with no carbon, let's say, by being really net zero carbon neutral, let's say by 2050. But then after creating the GCCA, I see all our sector moving really very committed and moving really full speed. And yeah, I'm optimistic we will achieve it.